Here's how to troubleshoot Snapchat if it's not working with your Bluetooth headphones. First, you need to go ahead and long press your Snapchat application, then tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From here, go to Permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app, especially nearby devices or Bluetooth if available. Now scroll down and go to Storage, click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, go to Battery Usage option or go to Battery and set it to Unrestricted or Optimized. You can also go to Phone Settings and then Connections and go to Bluetooth and make sure that your headphones are connected properly. And after following these simple steps, you should be able to use your Bluetooth headphones with Snapchat. Or you can also try uninstalling the Snapchat application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.